Y'all see my new gaming PC? Let me know how y'all think it looks, but also let me know what games I should play. I've never had a gaming PC before, so I'm definitely interested to play some games. Let me know what y'all want to see. You feel me? I need y'all to let me know something. I just got this drop from TVN, and it is some of their HeadStash flour, which means it's some of their top tier, their baddest bitches. You know what I'm saying? I need y'all to let me know, like, at least 3 strains y'all got in your HeadStash right now, or at least what's your top 3 things you've been moking on this year? Y'all ready? Let's get into it. What's good, everybody? It's your boy C. It's your boy Me. What's good, everybody? It's been a little minute since I got to sit down and record. I told y'all we changing up the pace of the content a little bit. We're only gonna come here and I'm gonna sit down with y'all when it matters, when I got something to really talk about, when it's some good content, good product, or a good deal. Y'all know how we getting down, man. So without further ado, I need y'all to like the video. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe. Send this to whoever you be matching, who you be moking with. So you know how we get down. Right. Now, you already know what I need you to do for me right quick. Right there, twin. That's my Instagram and my Twitter. Go follow your boy on the Instagram and the Twitter. That's how you know when I get the drops in. I just posted a new drop that came in today. So you need to be following over there if y'all want to see the most up-to-date motion. You know what I'm saying? You know, we got that there. The message of the day is listen to God when he's trying to tell you, twin, because he be telling you, he be making it abundant. And sometimes it be hard to understand, but you just got to sit there and sit with it and think about it and really see where he's trying to guide you and then walk that path. You know what I'm saying? You got to walk that path. Y'all don't know, we always drop the video with a prayer, so make sure you stick around to the end of the video for a prayer. You know how we get down, twin. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, YouTube, this video is completely educational. You know what I'm saying? First of all, the company that we're working with today, you feel me? We're checking out, are they safe? Is everything legit? What they got going on? These are some really big numbers that they're charging for. So is it worth it? All these different things, you know what I'm saying? It's about keeping it educational, safe, all those fun things, YouTube. You know what I'm saying? Outside of back to what it was, you know what I'm saying? But truthfully, man, without further ado, because I'm stupid excited to get into this bit, let me show y'all what all I got from my folks at TVN, because genuinely, this is a $500 order from my folks at TVN, and this might be the most top tier, high quality lineup of flour I have ever gotten or seen in my life. Truthfully, I'm gonna keep it a stack. Based off the eyes and the nose, this shit look like it's gonna be different than pretty much anything we've ever had on the channel. So, you know, I'm excited to get into it. Now, look, if you didn't know, I wish I could get up on here, take this jar just like this, right here, that bit open, and show it to you just like that. I can't, twin. I can't do it on here no more. YouTube does not rock with that. The policy does not allow it. They will clip your boy if I try that. So, what I need you to do is hit the short, because I put all of this, all the up-close 4K personal shots, all in one short that's like less than 2 minutes for y'all to really go see everything, so you can get up close and personal with it bit to see if that's where you trying to spend that ticket. You know what I'm saying? Future and Drake got that, know what I'm saying? Shit stuck in my head like a motherfucker. But are y'all ready to unbox everything? Shit, I got this jar out. I guess we'll start with this. Because like I said, huge shout out to my people from TVN, because this shit is crazy, twin. TVN is crazy, twin. You know what I'm saying? There's somebody give me a know what I'm saying counter in the chat. First thing we are breaking into today, which is honestly, I love tough ass jars, bro. This is a tough ass jar, you feel me? It is a biscotti gaseous clay, that's a hard ass name, and Fun Dip mix. This is one of them drops from Only Thing I Smoke, so you know it's some fire shit now. Like I said, this is the red hot, so the only thing I can really show you on this video is my reaction to the smell, so let me let you know. Damn, that shit smells pungent. It's just, what the kind of smells like an ammonia, that's like a damn. You're definitely getting some of the biscotti notes, but I've never had gaseous clay or Fun Dip before, so I couldn't tell you what neither one of those strains smell like or taste like. So I'm definitely excited to get into that. And one other thing I need y'all to know, if you could only choose one thing from this drop, what would it be and why? Let me know down below. Let me know if you've had any of this too. And I gotta stop the whole video right here. I know somebody's like, damn, bro, get into it. Shut your bitch ass up, nigga. Look, hey, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. I took that jar that y'all just seen that I just showed y'all. I took it to my little Father's Day, you know, a little something with the people, with my OGs, you know what I'm saying? Busted that bitch open and on everything I love. Everybody was talking about it smelled like some cess or some sesh. I don't know what they were saying, some gas from back in the 80s. If you know what they was talking about, let me know if you were OG. But they was talking about it smelled like that back in the day, sesh, something. So They was on it crazy. I'm gonna post a short. You know, I was out there with the fam. We was all lit. So if you make sure you watching the shorts, follow your boy on Twitter. But I gotta give a huge shout out to TVN because I'll be 1000% honest. Out of any pack I've probably ever brought around, none has ever got a reaction like that from the people. Everybody was like, "What is that? What is that? What is that?" Like, that was reminding them of that straight. And they said 1980s gas, okay? 1980s, not 90s, 2000, but 80s. So had to let y'all know that, twin. Let's get right back into it. Next up, we got some of that El Gallo. Now, this one does not have the strain on it. Like, it doesn't have the strain on the joint. An idea by Easy Smokers, D62091. Brought to you to life by the TVN family. Another Only Thing I Smoke drop. Let me just give some love to the jar. Tough ass jar. With the chicken on top, the rooster on top, that mug. Damn. Grape something. Also, some more of that like ammonia, like, smell to it. This has like a purple note, like a grape, ammonia, fresh ass note. That's the only way I can describe this El Gallo. Like, hey, if y'all don't follow your boy on Twitter, like I said, if you want to see a singular review of all these, your boy gonna be dropping these on Twitter on a little rollout, you know, smoke with me today type shit. So make sure you're on there with your boy. Make sure you're on there with me, you know what I'm saying? Next. Oh shit. Now, this is that shit that everybody and their mama was losing their mind about, twin. Look, you see what that bitch say? You see what she say? That's that red Sapo, twin. What that cross? And, oh Lord, animal face and sin mints. I know it's kind of hard to see, but it's a toad that's supposed to blend in. If you don't know, this is toad venom. The illustrious toad venom that everybody and their mama was chasing and claiming they had for the last few months, for real. So like I said, all this is from TVN, so huge shout out to them, bro, because oh my god, the TVN family, boy, they be taking care of it, gang. Like, all the packaging is overly hard as shit. Like, overly hard as shit. I gotta give it to them on that. I know y'all want to see me smoke, but I gotta show this shit off, swear. What the? There's like a gassy, stanky, like, all on that bit. But it also has like a mix. You can get I think it's the animal face. Where you can get almost that little bit of like a tropical nose. Or it might be the mints. It actually might be the mints. This shit stinks, man. I can't tell if there's a little cheese on that or not, but there's some funk going on in that motherfucker for sure. So, hey, definitely excited to try this. I'm gonna definitely make my own video on this, finally getting some real toad venom. So y'all gonna have to be on the lookout for that. Now, I'm not gonna lie to you. Maybe I'm not hip. Maybe I'm not shit. Who knows? Probably both. But when I seen these two jars, I knew they had to mean business. You know what I'm saying? Resident. I feel like it's one of those companies I'd heard of, or those names I'd heard of for a little minute, but I ain't never seen or definitely not had before. And then when I made my little post on Twitter and in the Discord, everybody and their mama was asking to see this. So we might have to try one of these, bro. We might have to try one. Yo, what the? Hold on, bro. This is that moonstone. This is that moonstone. Do you see the cross on that? White truffle and trop cherry, and that is exactly what that bitch smelled like, folks. Like rose, perfume, sweetness, beautiful, love. That's all I can describe that as. Yo, moonstone is definitely one of them ones. Off the smell, definitely. Next up, some Midnight Lobby. This is a jet fuel gelato peach rings mix, you know what I'm saying? Another sativa leaning hybrid, or hybrid leaning sativa. Similar smell, but it's definitely more peachy. Yo, what the? This shit kind of smells like a peach, like ice cream. I ain't gonna lie. I see why everybody was going crazy when they seen these jars. So definitely be on the lookout for them. But I feel like for today's video, twin, I ain't gonna lie to y'all. We're gonna be on this El Gallo, you know what I'm saying? Because I want to see what some of this in-house, you feel me, is talking about. Like I said, from the Only Thing I Smoke, they got that fire. I love the packaging on this joint. That shit show. Like I said, I'm not gonna lie. I think I misread something when it came to the pricing. Because I think the resident jars are all around $70. I think this is around $60 for the 3.5. The resident jars are usually $100, but I think they got them going right now for like $70. But the red Sapo, this joint is a $120 Vic. You're looking at about $440 for the whole drop. So we'll call it $450, Nick. Not $500, but $450. So y'all already know what I'm about to do. I'm about to roll this up because I didn't want to do a true unboxing with y'all, so let's do it. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's a Woodiana. Hey, Had to roll up the sleeves to get right into business, you know what I'm saying? Off the dry inhale, I'm getting a lot of like berry notes, floral notes, a little like sweet tartish. I'm very interested to see where this is gonna go, so cheers. Let me know something down below too as I spark this joint up. Do y'all believe in the white ash theory or not? We was talking about it in the Discord today. Did I tell y'all to join? If I didn't tell you to join the Discord, go join the Discord, twin. The littest community in the world is on the Discord. Go join that bit right now. Definitely the Z Candy for shit show. Has a very fresh aftertaste to it. So you get the Z Candy up front fully, and then it's like a stupid fresh aftertaste. You're getting a little bit of funk in there too, mixed in with that like cleanness. So it's like, first thing you're getting is the Z Candy. Second thing I think you're getting is the funk, and then after the fresh. This is one of the ones that really, the taste really sits on your tongue afterwards too. So like, all I taste right now is freshness. So when I go back to hit the bitch again, it's like a pine fresh too. So like, think of like a pine salt fresh. When I go back and hit this bitch again, I'm already knowing I'm finna get orange candy Z delight. You know what I'm saying? Had to chase that. I think I want to reinterpret a way I describe this. So it's definitely a Z, and it's got the orange, like all the orange, those terpenes, those like zest terps of a Z. But where I said it was candy usually be a little bit more bow on the flavor up front. This is a lot more like subtly there. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's like you ever had like orangeade, like orange lemonade, and you know how you get the orange, but you still get the lemonade. That little bit of, or that half orange you still get is that's the amount of orange you're getting on here. But instead of the other part being lemonade, it's like a fresh pine, like a freshness, the ammonia, like a fresh and funky mixture that's like a outside pine fresh with the back end funk of like an ammonia for real. So yeah, that was a lot, but yeah. Ash check, you feel me? There y'all go. She is white. You can tell this is very high quality, just simply because of the smoothness. Like, this is one of the ones, if you ever had a challenge where you had to do a bunch of push-ups, you want to do push-ups with something like this because it's gonna be smooth. It's smooth all the way through, but she still packs enough punch where you're like, it's there. And one thing I can really appreciate is the taste is pretty consistent. Like right now, I say I'm like a good third through the blunt right now, through the Woodiana. I'm about a good third ways through it, and that flavor has still been consistent since I like that first pull for real, which is, you know, not everybody be doing that. Ash sturdy as shit. Yeah, I really like this. Like, I think this is a perfect summertime blunt. Like, this is something you want on a nice day to enjoy life, look at the sky and shit. You fuck with this shit when you with some nature, because it's going to genuinely, it's some happy shit. Like, I'm really enjoying this smoke right now. I can't even sit here and boost. I can't say much more. Like, they did their thing. $60 eighth. Whew, I know how you feel about it, because I feel the same way, twin. $60 eighth is up there, but I'd be sitting here lying to you if I said this bit wasn't smoking, twin. This shit is better, you know what I'm saying? Like, I don't want to give away with them, so shout out to them for hosting the giveaway. I won it, you feel me? And then that's how we got this. But yo, whoo-wee, boy, genuinely rocking with this one. I do have some takeaways from it. Like, well, you know what? We're gonna save it for the rating. That's probably about as long as I'm gonna let the ash get. I'm gonna take one more hit, let y'all get a hit, then we can rate that bit. Let's do it. Yeah, go ahead and get right, twin. Yeah, let's rate it. One thing I can say about this is I really appreciate the smoothness and the cleanness of this joint. Like, oh my God, was it bit clean? Like, I want every pack to smoke that clean, for real. Some of the things I will say is the flavor was really good. I was enjoying the out of that Z flavor, and I don't usually enjoy Z that much. So for that reason, I wish I had a little bit more, but because it was so good, like, it's usually not that good to me, I can just really appreciate it. So like, I give the flavor like a 9.3 out of 10. The look was dead ass like a 9.7. That shit looked amazing. It was mediums, you know what I'm saying? I necessarily don't give a that compared to some people. I understand if you do give more of a about that. I necessarily don't, especially for a situation like this. If you're paying that big buck for it and you want the big nugs, I'm sure you would want big nugs, you know what I'm saying? But for me in this situation, it didn't matter that much to me. Smell was crazy. Like, it smelled, just had that ammonia like funk. A lot of packs nowadays just be smelling like runts, but that really had a punch to it. So I can appreciate that. Overall, I think I will give this a solid 9.28 out of 10. This is a 9.28 out of 10, dog. This is really smooth. The only way it could go up for real is, like I said, maybe a little bit with that taste. Like that, ooh, that bit was blowing. But I really enjoyed this. Shout out to TVN. They did they thing. Definitely did they thing. I can't sit here and boost about that. But without further ado, y'all, you know what I'm saying? That was a good ass smoke, like I said. There was that El Gallo we just tried on here. So definitely hit the short. Definitely let me know what you think about that joint after you see it. And let me know what y'all spend that ticket, man. But other than that, I love y'all so much. If you living swell and you smoking well, make sure you hit that notification bell so you never, ever, 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 say it with me, ever, 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 ever miss an upload from your boy, because, you know, YouTube like playing with me. But other than that, man, I love y'all so much. I'll see y'all boys for the next one. Other than that, man, I love y'all so much. Without further ado, you know, the most important part of the video, go ahead and bow that head, twin. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much for waking us up today and just blessing us with another beautiful day to be the people that you have made, Lord. I thank you so much for the purpose that you fulfill in each and every single one of us, Lord. And I thank you so much for just walking with us on the path that you have made for each. Smell was crazy. Like, it smelled just had that ammonia like funk. A lot of packs nowadays just be smelling like runts, but that really had a punch to it. So I can appreciate that. Overall, I think I will give this a solid 9.28 out of 10. This is a 9.28 out of 10, dog. This is really smooth. The only way it could go up for real is, like I said, maybe a little bit with that taste. Like that, ooh, that bit was blowing. But I really enjoyed this. Shout out to TVN. They did they thing. Definitely did they thing. I can't sit here and boost about that. But there was that El Gallo we just tried on here. So definitely hit the short. Definitely let me know what you think about that joint after you see it. And let me know what y'all spend that ticket, man. But other than that, I love y'all so much. If you living swell and you smoking well, make sure you hit that notification bell so you never, ever, 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 say it with me, ever, 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 ever miss an upload from your boy, because, you know, YouTube like playing with me. But other than that, man, I love y'all so much. Without further ado, you know, the most important part of the video, go ahead and bow that head, twin. Dear Heavenly Father, thank you so much for waking us up today and just blessing us with another beautiful day to be the people that you have made, Lord. I thank you so much for the purpose that you fulfill in each and every single one of us, Lord. And I thank you so much for just walking with us on the path that you have made for each and every single one of us, and just never giving up, even though we try to veer off and we try to step off sometimes. You correct us and you just help us continue to walk that straight and narrow path, Lord. I cannot thank you enough for the person watching this video, because you're working with them just like you're working with me, Lord. And I just thank you so, so, so much for everything you're doing, Lord. In Jesus' holy and precious name I pray. Amen. And the chat said, amen. If you made it this far in the video, you know what I'm saying, go ahead in the comments, comment Diet Coke, so I know you made it this far. I ain't right with you, twin. You know what I'm saying? But I love y'all so much, man. I'm gonna see y'all for